hate you. I'm glad my pants were not unbuttoned. So everyone would see my underwear. No,
Okay, before I give it to you, I just want you to know that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Yes, please record this.
And I think you're the most wonderful girl in the whole world, and I just love you a lot.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm going to make sure I play that whenever I'm mad at you.
And it's in here if you pull out the red rose.
Oops.
So.
Micah, don't.
So, Brittany.
What?
Will you be my wife and marry me?
Yes.